I'm going to play this Pixel Gun 3D. This is the second part of the continuous part, of the first part, which is not, I don't quite know if it's finished, but depends on you. If you consider this a finish or if you consider this as not finished, well, that's fine. But at least I'm still here to make more videos, and I earned 3 gems with this prize. Thank you for that, and let's try to proceed to Armory and upgrade maybe some guns. Let's try to upgrade that one, that sniper prototype. Currently it's at level 1. Oh god, what's happening? Faster. Oh really? Egg is ready to hatch. Eagle. Okay, already had eagle. I had a bat. Probably had all of the pets, but not all. No, no. Don't. Oh my god, I still lack money. Who among you had 30? Maybe spare month? Nah, that's fine. I'm just going to continue in this game. And we are going to play some more Sniper Forts because it's my favorite map. Or, you know what? Let's change map. Why not Sniper? Why not other maps? Like, team fight. Going to custom. Is that Sniper Forts the last time we played on that server? Right on the bottom left, right on the left part, bottom left part. See Sniper Forts. Why not let's play on the space station? Why not? Space station is a good place to live. Well, not really. It's in space. Yeah. And we're going to try to kill all of the enemies in this map with our teammates. With our teammates. Yeah. Come on, bro, faster, load faster. Why is it this low? You hear my brother playing some Mobile Legends at the back. I don't know if you could hear them, but oh my god, it's already starting. It's already starting. All alone? Oh really? Come on, bro. Let's fight. Oh my goodness. Is that a laser? Oh, I didn't know that there's already lasers in this. Okay. No, don't. Where are you, my little enemies? That dude has fell twisted. Oh, this minigun is so good. This map is so difficult to play with the zero gravities and stuff. Having this annoying gun, having this enemy with his annoying gun, the photon shotgun. God, yeah. See, that's the photon gun again. I hate it. freaking setting me on fire. Don't like being set on fire. I'm like on steroids. This dude doesn't even know how to get up here quickly. Where are you, my enemies? No. You know what? Let's take this serious. Let's take this seriously now. Now I lost. Freaking enemies. So freaking lag. Internet speed is so bad. So bad. What? I don't want to play with a noob. Freaking noob. Zero gravity. Don't care about zero gravity. Now I'm going to play in this map, which is Ant's Life. Come on, bruh. Load faster. Load faster. I'm still recording. Yes, I know that. I'm still recording. Come on, bro. What? There's no one playing. Where are you? Oh my god. He has a dang laser bow. What are you doing, bro? What's happening to you, bro? Oh my god. Freaking suicide. You know what? Let's use katana on him. Three one. What? This is my best score? Oh really? Surely no. I won by 2 points. I'm winning with a total of 3 points. That's my shortest battle of all. As in literally, that's my short. Now the purple guy, battling with the purple guy. Five Nights at Freddy's. Yo, what? What's happening to my screen? Why? Don't know what's happening to my screen, but it won't dang work. It's not even, that guy's not even fully purple. It's not considered as for purple guy if he isn't a fully purple dude. What is he using? Oh, he used that electroblast gun. Electroblast sniper rifle. Can kill me. Can kill me. Good dinosaur. Dinosaur's really good. By the way. There's that ugly dude. Ugly, 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 ugly. What? My screen won't dang work.